So there were a group of boys, right, gathered right outside on the balcony of the school library. I remember this. They were huddled over something, and they were laughing, and they were poking at it with sticks and dirty fingers. It was a bird. It was a tiny black bird with a broken wing, and I was so terrified. It didn't even dare to make a sound or move. I chased the boys away. I don't remember how, but I did. And I reached down and I cut this poor little bird in my hands, right? I gently picked it up. And then, without warning, the bird took a shit. The bird took a slow, warm shit right there in the palm of my hand. And I carried it, poor thing, shivering, down to the field, and I let it go. And then I went searching for soap and a sink. And that was a story about how sometimes you do the right thing and you end up with nothing but shit on your hands. Sorry, yeah, that's it.